Did I make a mistake placing my trust in you? I don't know why you felt so safe to hold this truth. Did I make a mistake to give you my faith? I pulled open the drapes and I showed you my face. I want you to see all of me. It's the first step in becoming free. I stepped into the light, I put my life on the line. I opened your eyes, let you into my mind. I opened up for the first time and I showed you who I am. I'm opening up whether I want to or not. It's time that I be a man. I opened up not cause I had to, it just came pouring out of me. And I'm opening up, I can't control how this man is ready to be seen. I'm opening up although